Hey Tesla owners, as you can tell by now, I'm all about owning my Tesla for a very long time, which is why I'm excited to partner with today's sponsor, Amber. Amber shares the same goal of promoting longer and sustainable usage of electric vehicles by offering Amber Care, a solution for EV extended warranties. As a Tesla owner, I know how great it is to have a car that doesn't need much maintenance, but I also know that out of warranty repairs can be costly due to specialized parts. Amber is here to bring peace of mind to Tesla owners like you and me. Amber Care offers 3 coverage options. Basic, that matches Tesla's basic warranty, excluding wear and tear, battery, and drive unit. Essentials, which covers the high voltage battery and drive unit. Premium offers the maximum protection, including everything in basic, plus the battery and drive unit. Currently available in 47 states, Amber is expanding fast. Unlike traditional extended warranties, Amber provides modern, reliable protection with a customer-first approach. Drive with confidence, knowing Amber has you covered. Check it out now by clicking the link down below.